Hey guys, how are you? Performance management week number 4. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So here we are. Just wanted to give you a quick update in regards to what we're doing this week. Close out last week and let you know I'm going to put in some grades here so you can have a feeling of where you're at in this class. I don't want you to be surprised by anything crazy. So make sure that you're basically in a position to make a good decision. If you're not doing well, then you can withdraw from the class. If you're doing well, then we got about what are we, week 4? We got 3 weeks left, so it's going to go by pretty quickly. So here's the advantage: we do not have a midterm or a final in this class, so you're good to go with that. So we do have our discussions that do a lot of points in regards to your grade. So make sure you are doing your discussions properly. That's going to impact your grade, overall grade the most. This week we only got one chapter, so it should be a pretty smooth week, but please make sure if you did not complete a discussion, you are doing that because that's going to make the biggest difference in your grade. Your discussion is going to be the biggest difference in your grade. So please make sure you get that done. Not much. This week we're going to be talking about problem solving and decision making. We're going to be talking about communication as a tool. So this is a pretty cool little video I put up about Ryan Reynolds and how he communicates, his style of comedy, his style of communication. I think you'll find it interesting. And then, of course, I want to talk about, how you and how your style and how you can improve in your interviews and conversations and how you communicate. So, next week, we are looking at week number 5, and you have communication and you have motivating employees, and we're going to do what's called a Meyer-Briggs. I did notice that a lot of you have completed the Meyer-Briggs already, so I won't be grading that now because that's for week 5. You guys are like a week ahead. So make sure that you are doing your discussion per week, not out of the discussion tab, but in the weekly tabs. That way you get all the points that you should be getting correctly. So once again, make sure that all of your previous discussions have been completed and make sure you're getting as many points as you can because there's no midterm or final in this class. Other than that, guys, it's been getting cold. As you can tell, I'm wearing a sweater now. It's cold outside. It's getting cold in the mornings, and then it's getting a little cooler in the afternoon. It doesn't warm up as much as it used to. Um, that's it. I mean, it's been easy going. It's been kind of relaxed. I got a couple of appointments this week with some students that are registering. So if you haven't registered for your classes, please do so right away. Later on today, I'll be doing the classes at Shaw and Thursday, and then next week it gets a little busier during the week. So I hope that you guys are staying warm and staying safe. If there's anything I can do for you, please make sure you reach out. Other than that, guys, have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you all soon. Take care.